Are you feeling the pinch of rising living costs, political unrest, or just craving a better quality of life? You're not alone. In 2024, over 5.4 million Americans chose to live abroad, seeking stability and new opportunities. Quick quiz. Which country has seen a 7,600% increase in interest from Americans looking to relocate? Is it A, Canada, B, New Zealand, C, Germany, D, Mexico? Drop your answer in the comments below. What are the top destinations Americans are flocking to? And why is the #1 choice so unexpected? Stick around as we unveil the top 10 countries Americans are escaping to. You won't believe #1. Number 10. Thailand. Imagine waking up to the gentle sounds of waves lapping against the shore, enjoying a fresh bowl of mango sticky rice for breakfast, and knowing that your monthly rent is less than what you'd pay for a weekend getaway in the US. Welcome to Thailand, where the cost of living is as delightful as its cuisine. In cities like Chiang Mai, expats report monthly expenses starting around $700, covering essentials like rent, utilities, and food. Even in bustling Bangkok, a comfortable lifestyle can be maintained for under $2,000 per month. And if you're savvy, you might find apartments in the capital for as low as $100 per month. But Thailand isn't just about affordability, it's about embracing a lifestyle. With a variety of visa options, including the non-immigrant O visa for retirees and the newly introduced Destination Thailand visa for digital nomads, settling here has become more accessible. The country boasts a vibrant expat community, especially in cities like Chiang Mai, known for its rich culture and excellent internet connectivity. And let's not forget the allure of island life. Places like Koh Samui and Koh Tao offer not just stunning beaches, but also opportunities to live and work in paradise. Number 9. Italy. Italy, where every street corner whispers tales of history and every meal feels like a celebration. For many Americans, especially retirees and digital nomads, Italy offers an irresistible blend of affordable living, rich culture, and stunning landscapes. While cities like Rome and Milan offer the hustle and bustle of urban life, many expats are drawn to the charm of smaller towns like Brescia in Lombardy, where foreign nationals make up 13% of the population as of 2023. Here, you can enjoy a continental climate, a vibrant community, and a lower cost of living compared to major cities. Italy has also introduced a digital nomad visa, catering to non-EU citizens who wish to work remotely while enjoying the Italian lifestyle. This visa, along with options like the elective residence visa for those with sufficient passive income, makes it easier for Americans to make Italy their new home. However, it's worth noting that recent changes have tightened the eligibility requirements for Italian citizenship by descent, now requiring a grandparent born in Italy. But don't let that deter you. Italy's allure remains strong, with its blend of tradition and modernity, making it a top destination for those seeking a new adventure. Number 8. Costa Rica. Costa Rica isn't just a tropical paradise. It's a haven for those seeking a balanced, affordable lifestyle. With an average monthly cost of living ranging from $1,200 to $2,500 depending on lifestyle choices, many find that their dollars stretch further here than back home. Whether you're a retiree looking to enjoy your golden years or a digital nomad seeking a serene work environment, Costa Rica offers a compelling mix of natural beauty and modern amenities. The country's commitment to sustainability and community living makes it an attractive destination for those wanting to escape the hustle and bustle of urban life. For remote workers, Costa Rica's digital nomad visa is a game changer. Applicants need to demonstrate a stable monthly income of $3,000, or $4,000 for families, and have health insurance coverage for the duration of their stay. This visa allows for an extended stay, giving you ample time to explore the country's diverse landscapes, from the lush rainforests to the pristine beaches. And with a strong expat community, especially in areas like the Central Valley and Manuel Antonio, you'll find it easy to connect and build a new life in this Central American gem. Number 7. Spain. If you're dreaming of a place where life doesn't revolve around deadlines, and you can sip wine under a 500-year-old olive tree, welcome to Spain. This sun-kissed European gem has become a top destination for Americans looking to swap stress for serenity. Known for its Mediterranean lifestyle, Spain offers a blend of historic charm, modern infrastructure, and, most importantly, a healthcare system ranked among the best in the world. In fact, Spain's public healthcare is universal and highly affordable. Even private insurance costs can start as low as $50 per month for expats. Whether it's the warm beaches of Costa del Sol, the cultural vibe of Barcelona, or the tapas trails in Seville, every corner of Spain has a story and a siesta waiting for you. And here's the kicker. Spain's visa system is surprisingly welcoming. The non-lucrative visa is perfect for retirees or passive income earners, while the brand-new digital nomad visa allows remote workers to live legally in Spain for up to 5 years. These visa options open the door for long-term living without the typical red tape. Combine that with a low cost of living, especially outside Madrid and Barcelona, and it's no wonder so many Americans are packing their bags. But here's something you probably didn't know. Spain is one of the fastest aging countries in Europe, and they actually want more working-age immigrants. Could that mean even more relaxed immigration policies in the near future? Maybe. But if Spain is only number 7 on our list, can you imagine what's coming up next? Let's just say, don't blink. Number 6. Portugal. Imagine waking up to the gentle strumming of fado music, sipping a bica, espresso, as the sun rises over terracotta rooftops, and knowing that your retirement or remote work lifestyle is not only feasible, but flourishing. Welcome to Portugal, a country that has seamlessly blended old-world charm with modern conveniences, making it a top destination for Americans seeking a change. The cost of living here is notably affordable. For instance, a single person's estimated monthly expenses are around 683 euros, excluding rent, which is approximately 30% lower than in the United States. Cities like Lisbon and Porto offer vibrant cultural scenes, while towns like Coimbra and Faro provide a more relaxed pace without sacrificing amenities. Portugal's appeal isn't just in its lifestyle, but also in its welcoming visa options. The D7 visa caters to retirees and individuals with passive income, requiring a minimum of 870 euros per month. For remote workers, the D8 digital nomad visa is an excellent choice, necessitating a monthly income of at least 3,480 euros and proof of accommodation. These visas have contributed to a significant increase in the expat population, with over 1 million foreign residents now calling Portugal home. However, it's worth noting that the influx has led to rising housing costs, particularly in popular areas, prompting the government to implement measures to address the housing crisis. Number 5. Ireland. Ireland isn't just a land of rolling green hills and lively pubs. It's a country where many Americans find a second home, especially those with Irish ancestry. If you have a parent or grandparent born in Ireland, you may be eligible for Irish citizenship through the Foreign Births Register, granting you the right to live and work in the EU. This pathway has seen a surge in interest, with over 45,000 applications currently in process, and Americans making up a significant portion of these. Beyond the ancestral connection, Ireland offers a high quality of life, with a strong sense of community and safety. The healthcare system ranks highly, placing second in the 2024 World Index of Healthcare Innovation, noted for its quality and fiscal sustainability. However, it's worth noting that the cost of living can be high, with a single person's monthly expenses averaging around €3,212, and housing costs being a significant factor. Despite this, many find the trade-off worthwhile for the cultural richness and the opportunity to reconnect with their roots. Number 4. The Netherlands. Imagine a place where bicycles outnumber cars, healthcare is both accessible and efficient, and the government actively encourages American entrepreneurs to set up shop. Welcome to the Netherlands, a nation that seamlessly blends progressive social policies with world-class infrastructure. For Americans seeking a fresh start, the Dutch-American Friendship Treaty, DAFT, offers a unique pathway. Invest a modest €4,500 in a Dutch business, and you can obtain a 2-year residence permit, with the possibility of bringing along your partner and minor children. No Dutch language proficiency is required initially, though it's beneficial for long-term integration. However, it's essential to be aware of the housing challenges in the Netherlands. The country is experiencing a significant housing crisis, with average home prices exceeding 10 times the typical Dutch salary, and rental rates soaring, especially in major cities like Amsterdam. Despite these challenges, many find the trade-off worthwhile for the country's high quality of life. The Dutch healthcare system, for instance, ranks 4th in the 2024 World Index of Healthcare Innovation, reflecting its commitment to quality and accessibility. Moreover, the Netherlands' emphasis on work-life balance and sustainable living makes it an attractive destination for those seeking both professional opportunities and personal well-being. Number 3. Germany. Germany isn't just about precision engineering and Oktoberfest. It's a land where stability, efficiency, and opportunity converge. For Americans seeking a fresh start, Germany offers robust pathways, allows qualified professionals to stay in Germany for up to 6 months to find employment. Requirements include a recognized degree, at least 5 years of experience, and proof of sufficient funds to cover living expenses. Ideal for self-employed individuals in fields like IT, writing, or art. Applicants must demonstrate sufficient income, at least €9,000 per year, have health insurance, and secure accommodation in Germany. Germany's healthcare system is among the world's best, ranking 8th globally, offering accessible and high-quality care. However, be prepared for a cost of living that averages around €1,200 per month, excluding rent, which can vary significantly depending on the city. Number 2. Canada. If you're an American dreaming of a change of scenery, where the maple syrup flows as freely as the kindness, Canada might just be calling your name. With over 100 immigration pathways, including the Federal Skilled Worker Program and provincial nominee programs, Canada offers a variety of options for those seeking new opportunities. Whether you're a tech professional, healthcare worker, or entrepreneur, there's likely a program tailored for you. But before you pack your bags, consider the cost of living. On average, Canadians spend between 35% to 50% of their income on housing and utilities. While the healthcare system is publicly funded and generally accessible, it ranks 18th globally in terms of innovation, with room for improvement in areas like wait times and availability of medical resources. So, while Canada offers a high quality of life, it's essential to plan your finances accordingly. Number 1. New Zealand. New Zealand isn't just a place on the map, it's a lifestyle. With its breathtaking landscapes, from the rolling hills of the Waikato to the majestic fjords of the South Island, New Zealand offers a quality of life that's hard to match. The country boasts a stable economy, low crime rates, and a welcoming English-speaking environment. Whether you're a retiree seeking tranquility or a remote worker desiring a balanced life, New Zealand beckons. New Zealand offers various visa pathways, including the skilled migrant category resident visa, which requires a job offer from an accredited employer and meeting specific points criteria. Additionally, the Active Investor Plus visa allows for residency through investment, with options like the growth category requiring a New Zealand $5 million investment over 3 years. While New Zealand offers a high standard of living, it's essential to consider the cost. Monthly expenses for a single person average around 4,261 New Zealand dollars, excluding rent. Rent in major cities like Auckland can range from 1,190 to 1,450 New Zealand dollars for a one-bedroom apartment. New Zealand's healthcare system, while publicly funded, ranks 21st globally in the 2024 World Index of Healthcare Innovation. It's essential to have comprehensive health insurance to cover additional medical expenses. In summary, New Zealand offers a unique blend of natural beauty, a stable economy, and a welcoming environment for those seeking a fresh start. With various visa pathways like the skilled migrant category and the Active Investor Plus visa, opportunities abound for skilled professionals and investors alike. However, it's essential to consider factors such as the cost of living, which can be higher than in some other countries, and the healthcare system, which, while good, may not be as comprehensive as some might expect. As you contemplate this exciting journey, remember that thorough research and careful planning are key to making the most of your New Zealand adventure. So, are you ready to trade your current scenery for the stunning landscapes of the land of the long white cloud? The choice is yours.